Hello class, in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to work week report, and at the same time I'm going to show you how you're going to do the work for my class. So I'm going to go to Blackboard first. So once you get to Blackboard, let's say that it's time for you to sit down in your computer and do the work for my class. So before you go to labs, go to week reports. Then select the week report that you're going to do. This is going to be week 1. Then click on week 1 week report. Go to the list of tasks over here. Notice that the due date for this is the 27th, and late submissions will be accepted only till February the 1st. So after the due date till the 1st, you will lose 20 points for submission, but you will still submit. After that, it goes away. No more submissions accepted. So click on list of tasks available here, and this is what you're going to complete. The first thing that you're going to do is install Slack in your phone or in your computer. This we are going to do. There is going to be a video that I'm going to link to over here so that you can click on it and watch it, because I do the whole process in the video, right? So this is going to be a URL right over here for you to know how to install Slack. Then you're going to complete discussion board 1 open source. So you're going to go to Blackboard, then you're going to go to discussion boards, and you're going to click on discussion board 1. Read discussion board, complete the discussion board. All you have to do is type your response over here, and that's it. After you type your response, you're going to reply to another person over here. So if nobody has responded, if nobody has completed the discussion board before the due date, come back to the discussion board and reply to someone else. I will be sending reminders of the discussion board so that you know if you still haven't completed it or not. Right? So after you complete your discussion board, after you do your initial post, you go back to the list of tasks. Watch this video over here. Right? It's a very short video about what is Git and GitHub. All you have to do is watch the video, nothing else. After you watch this video about getting familiar with VS Code, the code editor that we're going to use for the course. All you have to do is watch the video, nothing else. Just watch the video. After you complete 1 to 4, go to lab number 1. Complete lab number 1. The video is 50 minutes long. I apologize for it to be long, but I cover everything in detail. I need you to know how to do this well. Feel free to speed up the video. Feel free to just read and do the practice on your own. You are the master of your time, but you must complete lab number 1. It's 3 questions and a challenge question. In the video, I show you how to submit the lab as well. Once you complete lab number 1, go back to the list of tasks. You are going to submit something over here in week report. Yeah, close this. In week report number 1. So if you go to week report, you're going to see that it says here that here you need to submit the URL to your repository and the PDF file for week report 1. Let's see how to do that. That's what we're going to do now. So notice that I have steps for you here. Steps 1, prepare your submission. So you're going to create a folder called week reports. So we're going to go here, documents, and then a folder called week reports, one word. Week reports, one word. Inside, we're going to create a markdown file called week report 1. So let's open VS Code. File, open folder, week reports. Then here, create a folder, a file called week report 1, WR1.md for markdown. Then copy, you can just click on the link over here or select. Copy this text. I gave you the markdown that you need to type to make your life easier. Your name. So let's pretend my name is John Doe. You're going to put your own name there. Assignment is week report 1. The course is CIS 106 and the semester is spring 24. Now, week report submission. take a screenshot of Slack. This is the screenshot that you're going to take of Slack. So you're going to open Slack, right? And you're going to click on your profile in Slack. And take a screenshot like this, right? You click on your name, then you click on your profile, view profile. Here you're showing that you have installed Slack, and I can see your GitHub repository over here per the video on Slack. Now, on Windows, to take a screenshot of an application, we can open an app called Snipping Tool. There is also a newer version of this app available on Windows 11 and 10. Change the mode to Window Snip. Then click on New, and then click on the application you want to take a screenshot of. Click on Save, then save the screenshot in your Week Reports folder. Call the screenshot Slack.png. Done. Notice that screenshot over here. You're going to take a screenshot of your GitHub repository. Quite simple. Go to github.com. Open your repository and take a screenshot of this. So again, New, click on the web browser, Save, Documents, Week Reports, and then save it over here. Call this screenshot github.png and save it. Here are my images, and now I'm going to insert them in Markdown using the proper Markdown syntax that you already learned. Save your file, right-click and preview it. Make sure your screenshots are there and I can see them. And just so you know, do not take a photo with your phone. I am asking for a screenshot, not a photo from your phone. Take a proper screenshot, place them in your Markdown file, right-click, and then export to PDF. You're going to upload everything to GitHub now. Let's wait until the PDF file is generated. Preview your PDF. Does it look correct? Yes, it does. It's time to upload to GitHub. So here in your repository, click on Add File, Upload Files. Choose your files, then go to Documents, your Week Reports folder, select everything, and click on Open. Label this Week Report 1 Complete. Then click on Commit Changes. Find the Week Report Markdown file, as you can see over here. Click on it, and this is the URL that you're going to give me in Blackboard. Notice that this is the Markdown that we created. So click on copy the URL. In the submission, let me switch to a student view. Click on Week Reports, Week Report 1. Again, we're going to start the assignment after we have completed the assignment. Over here, we're going to paste the URL, and then we're going to attach the files that I'm requesting over here. I'm only asking for one file, which is the PDF file of Week Report 1, which is this one over here. Inside Week Reports, Week Report 1.pdf, and click on Open. Click on Save, and then click on Submit once the file successfully uploads. Wait until the preview of the file becomes available so that the file doesn't get corrupted as you are submitting. And click on Submit, and you're done. Submit, not save and close, submit. Okay, we're going to exit this because this is just a preview. And you have successfully completed all your work for week report number 1. Again, do this in the order that I specified over here. The last thing you should do is the week report. And I can tell because there should be something over here in your GitHub repository when you take your screenshot. See you in the next video. If you have any question, please send me a message in Slack and I'll be available to help you.